This is the work toolbox. Pretty slick. We have 11 of these in our shop. To get into it, you just fob in, lock both sides. This is a 1/2 inch. Everything 1/2 inch in here, 3/8. Smaller stuff, all Snap-on. We're sponsored pretty good. Well, I think Brant pays for it all, but punches. Pro feet. Box is laid out pretty weird though, I must say. Spare stuff. All Snap-on, Blue Point. Get some. Yeah, this is all Snap-on. These we only been in the shop for like 2 months, so I'm still getting used to the boxes. It's all standard. All bigger standard wrenches. Other stuff. Just a 3/4 drawer. Now this is where it gets weird because this is all metric wrenches, small little drawer. And then I go standard crow feet, which is weird. And then electrical. And then our bonus drawer for the greaser.